How to access professional dashboard on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily access the professional dashboard on your Facebook account. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and open up your profile. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on my profile icon right here to access my profile. So to access the professional mode, you'll have to turn on the professional mode to access the dashboard. So to do that, tap on the three lines and you're going to have to turn on professional mode. But as you can see, professional mode is not available when you've locked your profile. So the first thing you're going to have to do is unlock your profile if it is locked. So just tap on unlock profile like this, and then tap on unlock again, and then unlock your profile. And once you have done that, you will be able to turn on the professional mode. So just go back and then refresh your page. Now tap on the three lines and then turn on the professional mode. Now tap on turn on, and then from here, you're just going to have to follow the on-screen prompts. So keep tapping on next, and then set this to public, and then tap on confirm. And now finally, you can just tap on next and then you're good to go. If you want, you could also change your profile frame. I'm just going to skip it for now. And now, as you can see, you have an option to go to your professional dashboard. Tap on it and you'll be able to track all of your progress and your account details on your professional dashboard. Now you will be able to see the professional dashboard right here on your home screen. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.